All right, guys, let's talk about why your Facebook marketing, specifically your Facebook retargeting, doesn't work. Or in other words, why it fucking blows that I'm wearing this hat. Hey guys, what's up? Hernan Vazquez here. Welcome to another video and thank you for watching this video. And no, don't worry about it. You won't see me wearing this hat that much often, but I wanted to make a point. A lot of people, I could say that I've been using this hat because I've been watching Harry Potter's movie. I'm just kidding because I haven't been watching Harry Potter movie. I think I stopped at the number 3 or number 4. Maybe you can comment below if they're good. But the point is that I'm trying to say is that if I wanted these to look like a wizard hat just because of the fact that I've been watching Harry Potter's movie, it doesn't look good on me. It pretty much sucks. So don't do it. Don't try to copy anyone. And that's what I see a lot of people doing, They watch a Harry Potter movie and then next day they're wearing hats thinking that it will be like a wizard hat or something like that. So first off, I'll do you a favor right now. I'll get rid of this shit. Now with that said, I wanted to give you guys a really, really powerful technique or really powerful sales funnel that you can implement today that includes Facebook retargeting and how to actually make it work for you. With that said, if you want to really get the best of the best marketing advice that you could possibly want, you should definitely join the free Facebook group. There's gonna be a link somewhere around this video where you can come and join. Again, we have cookies. All you need to do is drop a couple cookies on a jar that's over there and you will be welcome in the loving arms of the Facebook group. Also have in mind that if you have any questions, you can also drop them on the comments below. You can click the like button, the subscribe button. They're both down there or up here, depending where you're watching this video. And if you love this, just share it with somebody that needs to see it. So let's talk about Facebook retargeting and how it actually works. And the specific funnel that I want to share with you guys today has this shape. That's pretty cool, right? That's Caesar, my boy Caesar, showing this right here. So it has that shape, and I'm gonna share with you if you join the free Facebook group because that's for the Facebook group. But I'm gonna explain to you what's going on with all of the Facebook retargeting strategy that I wanna share with you. So the strategy that I want to share with you guys today starts with videos. Videos are one of the most effective ways of promote your content. You might already know this, but if you don't, let me tell you, it's one of the most effective way of promote your content, your services, and your products. Not only that, but also Facebook it's really in love with videos. Like if you upload videos natively to Facebook, you can potentially kill it. And there's nothing more effective right now than running video views campaigns. At the time of recording this video, there's nothing more effective right now than running video views campaigns. For several reasons, because again, Facebook love videos and they're competing with YouTube in terms of video views. So they want to position themselves as an authority in terms of videos. So when you're running a video views campaign for your company, you can reach a lot of people really, really fast with a really small budget. So what I'm doing on Facebook is to record videos like this one that are really engaging, that I hope that you guys will engage with these kind of videos, but they're really, really valuable. Even if I'm not funny at all, they're really valuable. So that's something that you cannot tell me it's not valuable. The video is valuable, okay? Even if you don't like me, that's completely fine. But the videos are valuable and I try to be funny because people will engage with that. So what I would do is to upload those videos to my Facebook page and then I'm ready to start a video views campaign. So as you can see here, that's pretty cool. That's Caesar, by the way. All Caesar, thank you, man. So as you can see right here, you can actually go ahead on your campaigns to set up video views campaigns, and you will pick the demographic that will go better with your product or service. Let's say that I'm selling a digital marketing coaching class, and what I would do is to pick, for example, males that are 35 to 45 maybe, that live in the US and Canada, whatever, and that they like digital marketing. That will be my targeting for the video views campaigns because I want that specific people to watch the video. So once you do that, on the next step, you would actually pick and choose the video that you want to promote. So again, it's showing on screen so you can actually get the video that you just uploaded to your Facebook page. Now, as a pro tip as well, you want to use, number one, a clear call to action in your video copy, meaning you can actually have some copy on top of the video. It's going to be showing on screen as well. But not only that, you can actually have a link and most importantly, some emojis on the Facebook video that you're doing, the post that you're doing on your page. Not because you're a 14-year-old teenager girl, right, that wants to say, yeah, I'm awesome, and then you're using emojis. Emojis can and actually will increase the click-through rate of your posts. They will increase the click-through rate of your ads because they're just contrasting things that happen with the white background on Facebook. So have that in mind. So once you have the video on your page, you uploaded it, and now you're ready to launch a video views campaign, you would actually go ahead and launch the video views campaign. You can use whatever budget you feel like it. You can start with $1 a day budget. It's pretty inexpensive, and the amount of views that you can get, if your targeting is right and if your video is engaging, you can actually get a lot of video views for $1 a day. So that's step number one. Step number two is to actually go ahead and create a custom audience based on the video that you have just created. So you can actually target people based on 25%, 50%, 75%, even 3 seconds views. The sweet spot for my kind of videos, which are kind of long, is usually between 25 and 50%. That's my sweet spot. I don't go with 95% because I would creating, a really targeted but really small list. And I want to use this list, this custom audience, for step number 3. So step number 2 is to actually create a custom audience based on the video that you're promoting. And step number 3 is to grab that custom audience and put that mofo into a campaign that will push something that you want to sell. For example, it would be a copy of my book, or it can also be a copy of my cheat sheet, which is free. So depending on what I decide to do, I could push it to those folks that just watched the video. Now, the reality is that this two-pronged attack is much more effective for the most part than just going out cold to try to get people to buy my book, to try to get people to get my cheat sheet, just because of the fact that I'm delivering value on that video and I'm only targeting people that have engaged with that video. So if you add up the cost of a video view and the cost of a lead that I get on the back end, meaning on the second campaign, it's still way cheaper than going out there and trying to go call and say, hey, I'm Hernan, you do not know who the fuck I am, but this cheat sheet is pretty cool. Now, if I do this, I would say, hey, this is Hernan, you do not know who the fuck I am, but I'm going to teach you something for free. And then on the next step, that will be step number 3, I think. On that step, you will go ahead and target people and say, hey, I remember me, I'm the guy that you just watched in a video. I have some free stuff for you. Would you like to get it? Or, hey, did you enjoy that video? You seem you did because you watched me around for 5 minutes or 6 minutes, and hey, do you want to purchase the book? So that's basically the logic behind it, and that's how you set up the entire campaign. Again, if you want to check these out, the funnel that I just put on screen, that Cesar did, not me, because I'm not able to do that. Cesar did that for me, so thank you, buddy. So if you want to get this graphic with a lot of other explanation that's pretty cool, you need to join my free Facebook group. There's going to be a link somewhere around here, and once you join, you will get this stuff, and you will get a lot of other stuff, and you will get a turned on monitor that I need to turn on once again. So basically, and you will get that welcome over there. That's a welcome that I just did for members, and people are raving about it, and people are super happy, and there's a lot of kittens gifts below this, but you cannot see them on screen. Anyways, the Facebook group is pretty cool, and you are pretty cool too. So leave me a comment below, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just drop them below, or again, join the Facebook group. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. But hold on just a second, let me do this, because I love how it looks. It looks sexy. This is pretty cool, right? It looks really sexy. All right, guys, see you.